Alright folks, part 2. I'm going to reassemble the Keurig. So what I've done is, since the previous video, is I've gone ahead and I actually had to buy a new air pump. I replaced it already. The one that I purchased, it's got its own wire on it, so all I did was I traced through where this wire, the pump is plugged into the main board here. Pulled it out and then put in the new meter pump, and then just installed it back in. So I ran a couple of times. There's no issue. I don't see any leaks and whatnot. It's probably like a design issue and whatnot, because I would think over time this pump is gonna fail again. So if you guys know anything else about how this mini pump works, or how long it's supposed to last, please let me know. So just doing this in reverse, first thing you got to do is put this big piece back in the back here, and then we're just gonna put it and start reassembling it. After you put the back panel on, 4 screws, make sure you get those in here. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 right in the bottom here. Next, we got the back piece here. We're just gonna slide it in here. Just gonna make sure you go on the angle that make sure the bottom seats first, and then you kind of just push it in. Make sure that these tabs gets latched on. Once that is in, just make sure it's nice and secure. Don't forget about this guy that goes right on top of here. Then we're gonna push it right in, and then we got 2 screws right here. Oh, correction. Remember in the beginning when I said to put the 4 screws on the bottom piece? Just put the 2 first. So the one in the back 2 right here. Put those first. Don't put the one in the 2 in the front, because the front needs to. There's an area latch right here, needs to overlap. Then you put the screw back in. So my mistake here. Next, just put that middle the plastic black piece on top. All you gotta do is pop it in. Make sure you put in the 2 screws here and here first before you pop this guys back in. All right, guys. So this is the final piece. Everything's put together, and I ran through a couple of times. I don't see any leaks anymore. So the issue was that there was a lot of water on the bottom here that was coming out, and I just had to replace the mini air pump inside. So I'm gonna descale and run through some solution, just make sure everything is clean, and continue to use the machine. All right, good luck.